she's cool. Hello, YouTube family. How are you? Yes. So, on today's episode of D.I.Y in it, the spirit of Halloween. If you can't tell, I'm a mad scientist this year. Probably like, she only has one costume in her closet. I have smoke machine, but it's not working. This week on D.I.Y in it, I thought I would, I came across this really, really cool pen where they were these boulder teeth. Look at these things. Look at these things. Then I was like, since these need to be made with concrete, I don't own concrete. That means I'm gonna have to go get myself a big old bag of concrete. And with all that extra concrete, I might as well utilize it. It's a big word. And I did. So I was like, I've always wanted to do those figurines that are all painted black. And they have the red glowing eyes. I thought I would try that. Then I somehow, well, probably because I was on her page, the one that created these, Little Miss Barb. Yeah, you're just like, oh, it's probably like a goth chick, you know, like, hello, this thing looks like something from Alien, right? Barb is this little old lady, probably a sweet little grandma, hard to say, I don't know, but she's concocting these kind of nightmares in her basement, and I was like, yes, my woman, my mother, my sister, I don't know, not my mother, I don't know, you know what I mean, like, we're soul sisters. She has these planters that she made out of doll heads, so just like, yes, I'm gonna do that too. Why? I don't know. So, let's f shit up, folks. Oh, I'm sorry. Kids, let's F some S up. That doesn't sound as good. You know what I mean. Here we go. First, I laid out a little placement for all my stuff because I knew that I would be making an effing mess because that's me. Then you have to get, these are very crucial, they're silicone teeth molds. I will supply the link for you. Then I also had other molds that I wanted to make as well. The concrete I used was a fast set 5-minute. I recommend you go for 20 minutes. Just like add it to a little bit of water until you get to this consistency and then slap it into your molds like so. And also make sure you tap those molds, tap that ass, then pull them out. If you have any breakage like this, just apply a little Vaseline or Vicks, because I didn't have Vaseline. Then you need a glue gun, a glue stick. If there's any tree residue, like I had on mine, because I left mine outside overnight and it rained, and it never rains in California, but if you have any tree residue, make sure to wipe it off, like so. Then I took my really, really hot glue gun, like so hot it was burning my effing glue at first because I had it sitting for so long. Don't do that, folks. But I did. Don't do that. Then what you're gonna do is place little tacks down by the molars of the teeth like so, which this is one of the easiest projects, but it's also very time consuming. There you go. Any goobage that comes out the sides, who cares? You're not gonna see that anyways. I had some vampire teeth molds. I used those as well. I thought that would be really cool for Halloween. Vampire teeth.
I want to suck your blood.
With this, I did the exact same thing I did with the previous ones. And voila, my little teeth army. Isn't that awesome? It was very, very simple too. After that's complete, I then went in with an acrylic white paint. Yes, I used my old ramen bowl, don't judge. I also used a soft tip bristle because I found that the stiffer tip bristles like this left streaky marks, and that wasn't good. I went over the entire top of it with the white, or you can do yellow or green, whatever color you want to do, but do a top coat over the entire thing before anything else, because when you go to spray with your acrylic glossy spray coat, it won't adhere to the concrete. Then I wanted to give it a fleshy tone around the gums. It was a really pale. You can make it darker, like this. And also I didn't make the teeth too white because, you know, they're human teeth, and like, not everyone lives in Hollywood, you know what I mean? So went over it many times with more layers of paint. That's more of what I did right there. And I sprayed them with this polyurethane. There you go, polyurethane glossy top coat finish spray. Glossy top coat, never mind, you won't get that. I take my duct tape. Yes, I fold it up at the top because I'm a nerd and you can find it better. And I duct tape the back of them. The reasons why Barb duct taped the back of them were just ridiculous. The reason why I duct taped the back of them was so that when I adhered them to the back of them, it was a lot easier because it had something to grab onto. I don't know what I'm trying to say. And of course, I followed up with a little glow-in-the-dark paint, which I thought very nice, very nice, and it goes so bright. Oh yes. You take out your zippers, depending on how many you made. I made too many. You take that many out. Adjust them to where exactly you want them on the teeth. It really doesn't matter as long as you have like the zipper in the shot. I feel like it's tack them in the center of your teeth. Then finally tacking the ends together. Whee! Okay, now you bring them around back. Bring it around back and glue it to your back, which really does help keep everything together. You can follow the directions that Barb gives you on her blog, but don't. Sorry, Barb. I love you. I follow you. I love you. Don't follow her directions. I'm just saying, I made better directions. And then there you go. Next, just take some tinfoil, wad it up into a ball, place it onto the top of your teeth however you like. Look at this one, I made into an alien head or a potato, whatever. Glue it onto your teeth. That's it. Tinfoil head teeth, something or another. I don't know. Then we're gonna just dipple. We're just going to dipple on the concrete, thusly. Just keep doing it over and over again until you're happy with the shape of your teeth boulders. There you go, teeth boulders. I don't know where I was going with it. Then after that, I just created some gray color and colored them up. And did it over and over again with different colors of gray. And hello, rocks with teeth. My weird alien baby head teeth. And then I kind of went in and made them look a little bit better. And then I sprayed them down. But if I do that. Next, the baby head. Cut off a baby head. Yes, a fake baby head. You're going to need some moss for this project. I took some duct tape. Again, this stuff is actually called duct tape. Tape up the baby hole. Then you're supposed to take this, oh, that's some baby skin that was around the head. Yeah. Then you're supposed to take Vaseline, I didn't have any, take some Vicks. You gotta lube that baby head all up, get in all the little crevices. Don't drop it, because you're not supposed to drop babies. Get in its little ear holes and its mouth holes and its eye holes. Then you need to take some plumber's caulk and squirt that all into a plastic container and combine it with cornstarch. There you go. Mix it into your plumber's crack and until you get this like dough consistency, and the consistency was not right. It was too brittle. It wasn't like rubbery enough. I should have added less cornstarch now that I'm seeing. And also, the head is upside down, Kristen. Next, screw the baby. The baby's done. Skull heads. While I was pouring the teeth, I also poured my figurines. So cute! Busted those little concrete molds because I used to make soap, so I have a plethora of different kinds of molds. Fungi, molds, and fungi. Then I got a little bit of red acrylic paint. And boop, and boop. There we go. There's my little skullhead army. My undead army. That one was simple. It was a lot easier than these guys, but these guys are really awesome. There you go. There you have it. And then I also made some tombstones because I thought, why not? It has to go with the theme. So if you at all would like to get your hands on these cool items, I think about putting them up on Etsy.
Now to find a place for these outside.
Wonder how many will still be here in the morning. None. Okay, I'll just get a quick shot. Don't melt on me! So scary. Quick, ow! 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 Yeah, it looks like he's got fire coming out of his head. What? What did? Oh. Why do you think those things? Oh my god! Oh yeah. Well, I can't wait to leave that in the video. It's making my camera freak out, kind of. We're gonna get kicked out of. I hope you enjoyed this episode of D.I.Y. Another spooky Halloween edition. You know me, I love Halloween and I love all that stuff and whatnot. So make sure to subscribe. Please subscribe and like and share. Yes, like. I don't know. So I will see you, I don't know, I'll see you next week. What we're doing, I don't know. But make sure to subscribe if you're new to this land of Kristen. It's actually quite a glorious land. You never know what I'm gonna give you. And I upload, I upload every single week. When I upload, I don't know. And that's the fun of me. But yeah, all that stuff in my social media accounts and links and stuff like that. You know all that stuff. You're smart. You're smart people. You found yourself here. You know I love you. So peace, love, happiness. Cheers, everybody. Cheers. Bye. 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 We're gonna do it all together. Bye. That would be scary if you, like, your boulders had teeth. You know what I mean? Your boulders had teeth. I don't know. Anyways, it's inappropriate. Okay. Oh. I need a new tripod. So bad. Bye. I'm a mad scientist who went to an Aerosmith concert. I really did go to an Aerosmith concert. Okay.